In this video, I'm going to give you some great examples of Instagram Reels, the newest way of creating content on Instagram. Now, you've only got a short amount of time, so I'm going to give you some ways to entertain and grow your audience in just a few seconds. On this channel, I talk a lot about Instagram, personal branding, and other social media platforms, as well as practical advice to look good online. If those topics interest you, I would love to have you around here a little more often. Maybe even consider subscribing and hitting that bell to be notified when I post next. Now, let's look at some examples of some great Instagram Reels. Today I'm in Cabo, and the question comes from Marisa, who asks, Phil, do you have any examples of some good Reels? I sure do, Marisa. In fact, I recently challenged my Instagram followers to an Instagram Reels challenge. And if we're not connected on Instagram, by the way, we totally should be. Go say hello to me now at Phil Pallen on Instagram, and also check out some of the Reels that I've been making recently. Let's connect over there on Instagram. Also, pop your Instagram handle down below so other people can check out your channel. By the way, if you're looking for help to create your first Reel or to even understand what Instagram Reels is, I have a whole video all about that, and I'm going to recommend you click that, check it out, and I'll link to it right over here. So here's a peek at some of the Reels I have published recently as part of my Instagram Reels challenge. There were 5 of them. Here they are.
We overthink what to post on Instagram. This week I have a challenge for you and for me. I'm posting a Reel daily with tips for creating your own, and you make 1 Reel and post it by Friday. 1. You can do it. Tag me in your final creation and check back tomorrow for 10 ideas. Last week, I challenged you to make an Instagram Reel. I posted 5 in a row, and I asked you to post at least 1 by the end of the week, and so many of you did. I'm impressed. Look at these. Hopefully, you learned that creating as we know it on Instagram can be a whole lot easier on this new feature. I'm a fan.
So there, you saw quickly that there were lots of amazing entries. I want to share a few of those awesome creators with you. Pay close attention to what these creators are doing, how they're using video, voice, graphics, and pace to keep you engaged. So there you have it, a few awesome creators that participated in my Instagram Reels challenge. Make sure we are connected over on Instagram at Phil Pallen. Here's my best recommendation for Reels. Just start creating. Don't worry about learning the specific strategy on how to do this right. Go make some mistakes. That's totally fine. No one is judging you. Get creating, and the more you create, the better you're going to get. I have especially found that this vertical is way easier to create on than others, so I definitely recommend spending some time on it. If you want even more help with Instagram, I would recommend also checking out my course, Instagram Mastery. This course will help you improve your game on all pillars of Instagram feed, stories, live, IGTV, and now Reels. I've included a promo code below to get 50% off the course. My way of saying thank you for hanging out with me today. How about you? Have you created your first Reel yet? Do you like this new vertical of Instagram? Do you expect to see it grow, maybe like stories? Let me know in the comments below if you've made a Reel. You can link to that below and also post your social media handle down there so others can find you as well. If you found this video helpful, I would totally appreciate a like, and for you to consider subscribing to my videos here on YouTube for more on Instagram, branding, and all kinds of other things that I talk about. Practical advice to looking good online. Next, I'm linking you through to some other Instagram videos that I think are going to help you build your brand. I'm Phil Pallen. Thanks for watching today, and those are coming up next.